Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Airbus Boys. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. You know about aircrafts? That's good. You know about different airlines operating around the globe? That's also good. You know about different aviation systematic concepts? That's also awesome. But do you know about different Indian international busiest airports? Do you know? So if you don't know, this video is the right thing that you are going to watch. In this video, we'll be telling you each and everything that you need to know, right from the ICAO code to the passenger traffic conditions of the airport. And yes guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notification every time we upload a new video. Enjoy the video.
In the list of top 5 busiest international airport of India, Delhi has got first rank. So, Indira Gandhi International Airport or IGI Airport serves as the major international aviation hub of the Indian capital city, Delhi. IGI Airport is the busiest airport in India in terms of both passenger traffic and cargo traffic. Not only in India but also at world level, it is the busiest airport for Airbus A320 aircrafts. This airport uses an advanced system called Airport Collaborative Decision Making to help keep takeoffs and landings timely. IGI Airport handling nearly 70 million passengers annually. Delhi Airport holds so many awards like in 2010 Best Improved Airport in Asia Pacific region, in 2015 Best Airport in Central Asia and Best Staff in Central Asia. The ITA code for Delhi is DEL and ICAO code is VIDP. And this airport is hub for Air India, Air Asia, Alliance Air, Go Air, Indigo, SpiceJet, Vistara and Zoom Air. Let's see the aerial view of IGI Airport. As you can clearly see in this video, airport have 3 parallel runways and each runway is equipped with category 3B ILS landing. IGI Airport became the first Indian airport to operate 2 runways simultaneously. Now, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is the primary international airport serving the Mumbai metropolitan area. It is the second busiest airport in the country in terms of total international passenger traffic after Delhi and is the 14th busiest airport in Asia. This airport is also the second busiest airport in country in terms of cargo traffic. The ICAO code for this airport is VABB and IATA code for this airport is BOM. And this airport is hub for Air India, Vistara, Air Asia, Alliance Air, Indigo, SpiceJet and Go Air. Let's see the aerial view of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. It is the only airport in India that have cross runways, which means only one runway can be used at a time. Bangalore Airport is named after Kempegowda for his great contributions. Kempegowda International Airport is the third busiest airport by passenger traffic in the country and is the 29th busiest airport in Asia. Kempegowda International Airport became Karnataka's first fully solar powered airport developed by CleanMax Solar. ICAO code for this airport is VOBL and IATA code for this airport is BLR. And this airport is hub for AirAsia India, Alliance Air, Indigo, Go Air and Star Air. Let's see the aerial view of Kempegowda International Airport. The airport consists of two runways and a passenger terminal which handles both domestic and international operations. One more fact about this airport is the second runway of this airport is constructed by Larsen and Toubro. Now I am going to discuss about next busiest airport, that is Chennai International Airport. Chennai International Airport is an international airport serving the city of Chennai, Tamil Nadu and its metropolitan area. Chennai International Airport is the fourth busiest airport in country for passenger traffic, but it is the third busiest international airport for cargo traffic. IATA code for this airport is MAA and ICAO code for this airport is VOMM. It is the first airport in India to have international and domestic terminals located adjacent to each other. This airport serves as regional headquarters of AAI for South India. To cope with the passenger traffic, two new terminals, namely T2 and one satellite terminal, are under construction to handle 40 million passengers per year. Once completed, it will be